have not been on this road before. I believe this is relatively new. I think this few years. So nice. I think we will love to go to all these theme parks and have fun, but it's quite impossible now. Check out the sea view over there. So right now we are walking towards the Desaru seafood restaurant, which is over there. And wow, it's by the beach, it's by the sea. Whoa, I bet the view must be good. And because today is a weekday, today is a Wednesday, I believe it is not so crowded. We are reaching the restaurant soon and we are super hungry because we have a very small lunch. And here we are.
Yes.
Hello. Hi. Check out the view. Okay, so something funny just happened. We were sitting over there at the other corner, and suddenly a guy came out of nowhere and switched on a power switch. And then we were looking, what is he doing? And you know, he's preparing some musical instruments. So apparently there's a live band. Yeah, so we immediately switched our table. Yeah, because baby Cayenne is like totally sleeping, so we do not want to wake her up. Yeah, so let's hope the food is here, and when the music starts, right, we are almost done with the food. Yeah, so Esther is like, oh my god. The musician, the guy, is preparing to set up his stuff right now. By the way, the live band starts at 7:30 though. Right now, we are walking over to the breakfast place. We will show you a bit more when we reach and have some food. We are hungry.
Yeah.
Are you? Hey. Mama.